Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 63 registered Isuzu. This is the D-Max double cab pickup and it's the 2.5 twin turbo Yukon Special Edition. Yukon Special Editions have lovely external features that gives them that real smart outside look that stands the pickup out from the rest. Now it's finished in a lovely black metallic paint finish, which is in excellent order. You'll be pleased to know that this is only a two-owner vehicle and is superbly well presented. It's got the rear canopy on there, side steps, upgrade alloy wheels. So the canopy alone, they're roughly around about £1,500. So fantastically specced up there with that on as well. Now sitting on these 17-inch Yukon Special Edition alloys, so they're like a twin spoke with a black and chrome centre, do set the vehicle off. Benefit then from the side steps, we've got the privacy glass, the roof bars, the chrome mirror caps, the chrome front grille. But a great looking vehicle all round. Drove the truck, it drives superb. It's only two owners from new. First owner had it from 16 to 2018 and 18 to 2022, so both have had it 4 years and it's only done just over 60,000 miles. The car itself, if you take a look down the passenger side, it's free from real trolley dent, very nicely finished. All the wheels are in exceptional condition. Chrome mirror caps do set it off and we get the Yukon detailing and badging on there. The Yukon obviously is a big river in obviously Canada, I do believe. The rear canopy there, nicely finished, again with the tailgate spoiler. We've got the roof bars as well, and then coming round to the rear we've got that very nicely finished tow bar. Pickup truck itself's been used as one can expect. It's had as you can see in the back there, nicely finished load liner. But all around a very respectable vehicle. Mud flapped up, again passenger side is in very nice condition. Sides of this are glass as well, ideal if you've got dogs or you want to climb in and out to the side of it. You can do that. We've got a variety of keys on there as well, as you're pleased to hear. So yeah, we've got 2 keys. Inside we've got the black cloth trim, which is in lovely condition. Slight wear on the driver's base, but nothing again which would detract from purchase. But a very nice interior. I don't smoke and I can tell myself this truck's not been smoked in. But there you go, you've got the keys for the back, a couple of sets of keys for the pickup itself. Hopping into the truck, we've got the key in there. I'll dip the clutch and just start her up. Starts up first time, no warning lights, and then we've got this fasten your seatbelt. We're not going to drive off. 61,688 miles, so nice low mileage on this. Isuzu CD integrated player there. Switching that on. We've got the Bluetooth phone adapter as well, so you can Bluetooth your phone to that stereo. We've got air conditioning. We've got 6-speed manual transmission. Nice, these trucks are 2-wheel drive and then 4-wheel drive, so you don't have to expensive fuel in a 4-wheel drive vehicle. Nice interior in this, very nice indeed. Leather trim multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, wipers and obviously headlamp control, that's nice. Multifunction leather steering wheel, but a lovely vehicle. A really nice vehicle. Having a look in the rear of the vehicle, again, doesn't seem like it's had much traffic in here. They don't tend to have, do they? They're really used for either commercial purposes or they're actually used for towing, but these will tow big weights as well. But as you can see there, nice vehicle throughout. So if you'd like any more info on it, there's myself, Graham, there's Dominic and Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. If you want to reserve it, we'll get it ready so you only have to visit Wigan once. Very nice pickup truck if you're looking for a utility vehicle, towing capacity. Everything about it is in great order. Have a look on our Facebook page and our other social media pages, our reviews. You'll see there's customers from all over the country picking lots of vehicles up from us. But yeah, this is a very nice vehicle. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.